Hi sir, my name is John Clarence Villarmino and this is my project Smart Notes. It's a simple note-taking app that lets user add, view, edit, and delete notes. So let's go through to each part of my code step by step. First is the main activity.pt. This is the main screen of the app where user can type note, title, and note content. And the user clicks save button, the note gets inserted into the database using the insert function. Insert function from the view model. If both fields is not empty, it saves the data and clears the inputs. And this view button, it opens the note list activity where users can all see the saved notes. So basically this activity handles adding new notes. And this is the layout for the main screen. It includes two input fields, one for the title and one for the note, and two buttons to save and view notes. Next is the note.kt. It marks with the entity annotation, which means it represents a table in our room database. Each note has an ID, title, and content, and a timestamp that records the exact time it was created. The ID is automatically generated, so every note is unique. And here is my note.dao, then which stands for the data access object and contains all the database operations such as insert, update, delete, and get all notes. And here is the note database class. It connects the app to the local room database. It defines the entity use and version number. I used version 2 and added fallback migration, which helps recreate the database when the schema changes. Inside the companion object, we make sure only one instance of the database exists throughout the app using the single pattern. And here is the note view model. Acts as the middle layer between the user interface and the database. It uses Kotlin to run the database operations like insert, update, and delete. It also exposes all the variable all nodes, which is live data list. Meaning the app automatically updates the note list wherever data changes. Now, here is the note list activity. This is where all the saved notes are displayed using Recycler view. It observes the all notes live data and from the view model. So whenever we add or delete a note, the list updates instantly. It also passes each note's data to the edit note activity. When the user clicks the edit button, And here is the note adapter, which connects our list of notes that are recycler view. It binds each note title, content, and timestamp layout called item note XML. There are also edit and delete buttons for each note. When clicked, they triggered function to update or remove the note. And this is the edit note activity. This activity allows users to edit or delete note. When it opens, it receives the note's ID, title, and content from previous activity. The text fields are pre-filled so users can modify the content easily. The text field, when they click update, the note is updated to the database. When they click delete, it removes completely. And here is for my activity note list layout. And this note is for all notes appear, and it supports scrolling. Has two text fields and both activity edit note has two text fields and buttons for updating or deleting notes. Finally, item update and deleting notes. Final item notes defines how each note looks inside the list, showing the title, content, date. This makita na to the title, content, date, and 2 action button. So that's all.